Let's talk about les nombres ordinaux. Les nombres ordinaux. Les nombres ordinaux are basically, I don't know whether you have that kind of thing in English. You would say ordinal numbers or something. But then these are is a way in which you'd say first, second, third, fourth, and fifth, and so on and so forth. So in French, when you want to say the first, you say premier. Depending on whether it is masculine or feminine thing that you're talking about. So if you say the first computer, you'd say le premier ordinateur, because computer ordinateur is masculine, so you say premier. But if you are talking of something that is feminine, for example, what is feminine? Let's say the second wife. So you'd say, the first wife, sorry. So you'd say première femme, because femme is feminine. But for these other remaining ones, it doesn't matter what gender the item is in. So you just say deuxième, that is second, troisième, third, quatrième, fourth, cinquième, fifth, sixième, sixth, septième, seventh, huitième, eighth, neuvième, ninth, dixième, tenth. Now, when you look at this keenly, you can see that we are just using the numbers that we used when we learned from number 1 to number 10. The only difference is 1, because 1 is un. We don't use that. We don't say unième. So for the first one, we say premier or première for the feminine. Now, for the second one, for number 2, which is basically second, you see we have used deux. We said 2 is deux, and 3 is trois. 4 is quatre, with an E at the end, not in this case here. Then 5 is 5. 6 is 6. 7 is 7. 8 is 8, if you remember the numbers. 9 is 9. There's a difference because now here we don't have F, but we said 9 is 9, and 10 is Ds. So what happens here is that we are only adding EM. So for deuxième, which is second, we are taking 2 and then adding IEME. The first E here has got the accent grave, the falling accent. So we say deuxième, troisième, quatrième, cinquième, sixième, septième, huitième, neuvième, dixième. And that's how you write the I don't know how it is called in English. Ordinal numbers. In French, they are called les nombres ordinaux.